My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. You're not going to want to listen to me any more than 5 minutes anyway. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades, and I have a whole host of former IRS agents. If you want to reach me, just look in the description section below. I have this YouTube for 3 reasons: to be informational and to give you the information you need, both from an educational standpoint and so you don't get ripped off by other people. I've looked at YouTube. The reason I started this, there's a lot of people, salespeople get on here, they don't know what they're talking about. People are trying to get in your pocket. That's why a lot of this stuff that I do is informational, at least so you can know, if IRS, don't hire us, whatever, at least that you're going to know the truth. I've been getting a lot of calls recently from people who've lost stock and they've lost money in the stock market, got 1099s, they can't pay the tax with Bitcoin and crypto, and they've just taken huge baths. This week alone, I got 4 calls from people who owe boatloads of money, and they really don't know what to do. So I am here to tell you there are things that you can do when you've lost this when you lost this money, because your life, first of all, is in turmoil, and you know you got an upcoming bill with the Internal Revenue Service. So just let me tell you how this process works, so you know. If you want to call me, you can. If not, whoever the hell you got, it's fine with me. So anyway, at the end of the day, if you owe this money and you know IRS is coming, whether you filed your returns or not, you're going to have to, in fact, go ahead and plan. So when you go ahead and do this planning, understand you've got to keep filing all your tax returns and making estimate payments. As a former IRS agent, the first thing I need to tell you educationally is don't get behind the 8 ball any more than you are. If I were to knock on your door, say, hey, you owe this money, what are you going to do? My first question, 2 questions, are all your tax returns filed, and are you current? That means this month, next month, are you current in all your payments? If you are, IRS loves that. They're going to work with you. Do not fall behind. As far as, pardon me, I'm dealing with a little cold. I hate this tickle. I'm eating actually potato chips, so the tickle goes away. So anyway, if you're going to owe the money, what is IRS going to do? They're going to ask you for a current financial statement. The Service Center will ask you for a 433A. It's a 2-page form. If it's in the Revenue Officer's hands, it's going to be a 6-page form, 433A. And if you want to do an offer and compromise, use the 433 OIC. Anyway, IRS is going to look at this financial statement, and they're going to put you in one of 3 categories to close your case. They're going to put you into currently non-collectible. That means you don't have the money at the current time to pay, which most of you don't, and they'll relook at it later. Penalties and interest do run. Or they'll put you on a payment plan depending on your financial statement, and some of you may do an offer and compromise. The 3 clients that I picked up this week fell in each one of those categories, but your current financial statement will determine that. Basically, what we do is we look at it and we say, this is really what you need to do. Don't get all angst up and worried up. IRS knows you've been in this situation, so just go ahead and relax. Call a professional. Let the professional take care of the problem for you. The more you keep this to yourself, the more you're going to go ahead and worry about it. A professional, whether it's us or someone else, knows how to manage this case. This is a case about management. You're not going to stay broke. You're going to go up and down in the next couple years, but more than anything, just relax about the tax liability. IRS have different programs to help you where you are right now. And that's what a good professional does. They go over the programs so you no longer have to worry. But, like I said, first 2 things: make sure all your tax returns are filed, and make sure you're at least current for the money that you're making now. Thank you so much for listening to my YouTube station. It's going to be 5 minutes. If you'd give me a subscription, that'd be really good. YouTube thrives on me getting subscriptions. They kind of move me up. That's why we really ask for them. Anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. If you leave me a comment And if you want me to do YouTube on something like this or one-off something, let me know. This is where I get my YouTubes, actually, is from you. So thank you. My information is in the description section. Thank you.